It's not usually so windy.
So, naka-ready na pala ang aming luggage at mag-breakfast muna kami. Dublin to the small city called Killarney. It will take us for like 4 hours siya by train siya, guys. We are now having breakfast. So, ngayon ko lang na-vlog ng breakfast namin kasi basic lang naman siya. We got hotdog, bread, coffee, and juice. At ito pala yung ano nila dito, breakfast area nila dito. Ito yung breakfast area. Mas simple lang siya. European style lang siya. And then, during daytime and whole day until evening, they have a bar in here. Ayan siya. Malaki siya space, guys. And then, ito na yung reception area nila. Ayan. Dito kami. Gusto ko pala mag-share sa inyo, guys. Say thank you dito sa hotel na to kasi they are super nice. So, yesterday, medyo we have a small incident happen in our room. We had a little bit damage. And then that little damage is like cost a lot, guys. But then since it's an accident, the hotel is so kind, like very considerate to let us not pay at all. I think this is only I could do, like to share our experience in this hotel. Kain muna tayo. Ticket online and then we just need to get it from here. We just need the reservation number and they're gonna print it for you. There you go. Okay. We are now here sa hotel namin, guys. Room tour tayo dito sa Killarney Hotel. We're staying here at Killarney Court, which is 20 minutes walk siya to the downtown ng Killarney. Oh, we have a group tour in here. Merong bus dito. Cabinet here. Bathroom in here. Yan. Meron silang bathtub. Iron. And then, ito na yung room. Coffee and stuff. Double bed and single bed. And then they have like a table in here and a mirror. May dalawang mirror sila here. This one. And another one is here. TV, table and chair, and our view. So we are actually facing on some kind of a, is this supermarket, darling? Supermarket, grocery, something. Kabukas pala yung door. Should I close this one?
Another story, and he was doing in the crowd, my leader. Now, another interesting thing about the Blasket Islands patron saint, St. Patrick. Now, he wasn't born in Ireland, he was born in...
First stop here at Ring of Kerry. This is how old people lived before.
Or drinking house.
This is your favorite.
It's a pub.
Every time we see like statue around here. Oh. So this is how the old Irish people live, guys. This is how they lived before. They have like 4 beds actually, 2 in the top and 2 in here. And this is how they put, ito nilalagyan nila ng babies. Oh my god, it's really like freaking Uy, what's wrong? This is how the small houses of Irish before. But before that, their houses was really made with these stones before the eviction of Irish people or war began.
The Ring of Kerry. Those are lost their lives fighting for Irish freedom. And in front of us, the Daniel O'Connell Memorial Church of the Holy Cross Palace again.
For Thursday, they can have palace and salad as well.
Lunch break, guys. So we got the famous seafood chowder, which is served with the bread, and then the main dish namin is itong Guinness
Beef stew.
beef stew. Guinness beef stew, yeah. Step at a time. I'm just gonna show you how beautiful it's here, guys. Last stop is Ring of Kerry tour guide. We're gonna head back to downtown na tayo for the dinner. I hope you enjoy this Ring of Kerry tour, guys.